What's up, Minitruck? Wanna go for a ride, Minitruck? Wanna go, Minitruck? Yeah, you wanna go? Alright, let's go, girl. Soupy. Diff lock time. Very tore up. I don't know, Minitruck. I don't know if you're gonna make it. Come on, Minnie. Almost. Nope. Holy cow.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What a mess you made.
What'd you do?
You fucked up.
Oh, God.
You fucked up!
You tried your best. I didn't bring my tree saver. And where the heck is my synthetic rope? No tree saver. Wow. Whose dumb idea was this?
What we need to do now is get focused and stop pointing fingers. You're a problem.
It's easier with an automatic. I'm gonna have to move. Man, that tree's dead. I ain't pulling on that thing. Yeah, I have to go to this one. I'd say it was a little soupy. Now these tires are loaded up. It's gonna be like having slicks. I don't think I can make it that way. That is tore up. I can try it.
You can do it!
Oh man. That didn't work. This was your idea.
You're a real problem.
soup. Jeebus. You got stuck, Minitruck. That's okay. That was a rough one. And the mud coming off them tires. It looks like you're gonna get another bath. Oh my god. That is deep. Definitely need some skid plates, Minitruck. Dirty girl. Dirty, dirty girl. All clean, Minitruck. Minitruck! Get over. You tell him, Minnie. What are you laughing about? You get no respect. No respect at all. Wow, didn't bottom out. Wow, whoa, yeah. That's a bad, Jesus. You can do it. Catch that truck, Minnie. You almost got him. It's 55. You drive good, Minnie.
You need many years of therapy.
I'm kidding. You did smell when we first got you though.
Many fucking years of therapy.
Oh, come on, don't be scared. You'll be able to make it this time. Huh. That's where the ice was, apparently. See? Nothing to it, Minitruck. You did good. There. You done good, Minitruck. Look at that view. ATV tracks. I didn't even have to put your lockers on. You want to go that way? I don't think we can get too far this way, Minitruck. Coming up here for something. I don't remember all this. That's the rough one there. We're not doing that alone. You done good, Minitruck? Yeah, this is where the ice was. From here over. That was scary. Still bottom out once in a while. rubber on them D-rings. Cut a hose so it makes them so they don't flop around. Wow. These roads are shot. Hey! There's a big mini truck. Look what came in the mail, mini truck. Synthetic rope mini truck. That fairly so tiny. Big enough for this.